I want to teach you how to use AI to write your website landing page copy or your sales funnel. Now, what is a landing page? Now, a landing page is a small website that is primarily used to run sponsor ad on Facebook. Now, let's say, for example, now you own a real estate company and you want to generate 1,000 to 5,000 real estate clients to join your community where you're going to be selling your real estate offers to them. So now the best way for you to acquire qualified clients is to use a landing page. Now, a landing page is a small website that when they click your ads on Facebook, they will land in that page, read everything about what you want to sell, and further click there and join your community. So now, those write-up that used to be on that landing page, there are people that used to write them, and it's very expensive for you to pay for it. So I want to teach you how you can write that particular write-up that used to be in that landing page using AI. It's very simple. So I'm going to be dropping the prompt I'm going to be using to write this copy in the comment section. I'm also going to be showing you how you can do it from the beginning to the end. So let's go to the video. Let me show you how to do that.
Like I said in the video, I want to teach you how to use ChatGPT or AI to write your website copy. That when someone read it, they will be willing to pay for whatever you are selling. So I'm going to be dropping the prompt I'm going to be using to write this my sales funnel copy for my website on the comment section of this video. If you're watching on Facebook or watching on YouTube, the prompt is going to be in the comment section. So don't forget to subscribe and to follow. So for this particular practical section, I'm going to be using an investment service firm. For example, now I want to write a sales funnel copy for investment firm. So everything is set. Let's get to business. So you go to any browser of your choice. Let me allow using Chrome. You type chatgpt.com. You must have accounts with them. Then you fire. So when you come like this, the next thing I'm going to do is to wait for it to load complete. It load complete. You now paste your prompts here. Have you seen? So you now send and wait for it to do the magic. It's writing. Okay, yeah, it's asking you some few questions. As you can see, as a based on your investment service, here are questions I need to answer. I need answer before writing the phone. Number one, what is the name of your investment firm or brand? What is the name of the service or the program? Who is your ideal client? Beginners, world class professional? Which country are you targeting? Now it's very simple. These questions are very simple, as you can see. Now, why it's asking me this question is because of the prompt I am using. So now you relax and answer all these questions in details. You get it? For example, now let's start with number one. So I'm going to pause this video. So when I come back, so as you can see now, I have answered all the questions ChatGPT asked me based on my prompt. So I'm going to send the answer to him now. Now let's wait for the magic. Okay, let's see further things he asks. You can now tell yourself, say, work with the answers I, I have given. I've given you already. Don't ask any questions again. You sent. Okay, our funnel copy is ready. Now, as you can see here, how the wealthy build lasting wealth without guesswork. That is the hook. So stop saving money the wrong way. Start building a healthy and profitable investment portfolio that works for you. Now, this is the write-up. Have you seen? This is the write-up, as you can see there. So this is what I'm going to use to create my sales funnel and run ads. I'm going to run ad to this sales funnel you see now and have clients. So listen, so that's how the thing is. That is how to write copy for your sales funnel. So you can copy it out from here. Let me show you. You copy it here. You can see this place. This is a copy sign. Then you take it to your work pad and remove anything you want to remove, add anything you want to add. So if this video bless your life, don't forget to share, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe and to follow so you can see more video like this. So in the next video, I'm going to be showing you how to use AI to write your Facebook and your Instagram ad copy. Join me.